Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So on this video, we're going to be creating a basic website or a web page, all right, which we're going to take in what we've learned so far. We're going to combine it together to achieve probably just a simple biography. All right, let's call it that. Yeah, a simple biography, just to put out some information out, all right, which will be applying our H1, our paragraph, our lists, the button, sorry, the links. Yeah, we haven't gotten the button yet. Yeah, so the links and stuff like that. So right, so before we go to that part, there's something I want us to grab here as well. In our previous video, we talked about href, talk about tags, talk about targets, right? So now, and what we use the href for is actually to reference to an external link. So before we go to that particular complex or combining our code together to achieve the biography, right? What if I have another page on my project, on my website, and I want to link to that particular page? How do I achieve that? Let's do that, then we'll jump on that. So right, so here now I'm going to create a file. We already have discussion one, right? So here you have the index. Index is our main page. I'm just simply going to create another page here. I'm going to call it about me. All right, about me.html. So here I am right now, and let's just simply have basic stuff there. Okay, so so now I have this. So from my index, I want to be able to navigate to my about me page. So here under this place, let's have another anchor tag. So here I'm going to call on that particular page. I'm going to use the HTTPS. I'm going to call that. I just need to call that particular part of my page. And right now, they are all in the same folder, right? So I'm just going to call about me.html. Okay, so here I'm going to put about me. Okay, here I can see about me. So when I click on it, it takes me to about me. So from about me as well, I want to go back to the index, which is my home page, my landing page, right? How can I achieve that? I'm going to simply go to the about me, and as well, let's just simply drop a link there, which is going to say index.html. That's the link, and then I'm going to put it back to home page. And when I click on that, it takes me back to the home page. So we can easily navigate from the home page to about me, from about me back to home page. That is just it. Same way we go to different websites, right? From our page, that's just how it's done. Okay, good. So now on the about me page is where I want us to have this biography. I hope that makes kind of some sense, right? So now let's jump into it. Here right now in my body, the link, I'm just going to drop it down so you can be able to use it for kind of next time, right? So here now I'm going to have and we have something here in my body. I'm going to call it header. Okay, header. Inside the header, then we have the h1 inside the header. Okay, right. So after this, now I'm going to say probably the paragraph. Okay, paragraph, which is going to say okay. So I'm going to to have a section here. This section, we're going to talk more about section. It's just to create, you're trying to create a particular container, all right, for your elements. Okay, the section, we have div as well. They are more like, they are containers, not like they are containers, right, which we keep, you know, our texts, our images, other elements inside it. Okay, simple as that. So now going forward, now what I want to have next is just basically, you know, my stuffs. So here I want to use h2. I've already used h1, so I'm not going to use h1 again. Then I'm going to call my skills. So I'm going to list out my skill, which I'm going to use it on other lists. I'm just going to copy that, and as well I can give you guys a shortcut. Here I want to have two more lists right now. You can simply say li asterisk 2, sorry, should be small letter, li asterisk 2. Automatically it's going to create two more lists for me. So I can simply just css and js, this needs to be JavaScript. So done with that, I also have another section. This one I also have h2 as well. Let's call it projects. So here I'm going to be using OL. Alright, and I'm going to have 3. So let's use that shortcut to achieve that easily, easy peasy. Okay. Okay, so let me simply work with the footer now. And just have something in my footer, paragraph. Alright, so here after saying thanks for visiting, contact, I want them to contact me. So here now I'm going to do something which I have not done before on this video for you guys, right? Or let me see on this tutorial, right? So here now I want to have my email, so they can easily mail me, right? But I don't want them to copy the email, you know, highlighting it or checking the website, going back to their email box to, you know, to get the email typed correctly. You can simply embed my email inside the link. So when they click on it, automatically takes the email down to their email box and they can just mail me straight up. So how do I achieve that? Here right now I'm going to have my A, right, which is going to be anchor tag for our links, right? So inside it, not to get confused, this A is inside a paragraph right now, so you can see inside a paragraph. So let me put that down so we get to see what is happening right now. So here now I'm going to have what we know to be mail to column mail to, what is your email, right? So let's just put your email. I want to say your email at gmail.com, right? So here same thing, you want to probably, you know, repeat the email out so you can as well know the email they want to mail. All right, so they won't be, you know, you won't put them in the dark. So saving that, let's refresh our page. All right, so here we have it. And okay, so this back to home page. I think I'm going to take this one up, so you know the things can be much more, you know, follows the flow. And as well I'm going to put an image. All right, let's put an image. Okay, so this link, I'll just take this, then put this here. All right, so before the section of everything, Let me have image, and let me simply use one of these image here. Use yeah, image one. So image one. Yeah, it's big. It's as usual. So let me just apply the width. Then let's just use maybe 9 pixel. So here I'm just going to say lady smiling. I would like to use the border radius. So let me simply just apply everything inside the style attributes style. So the width 11 pixel column. Then let's apply border radius 50%. All right, so this is just simple thing. And if I click on this email, you can see automatically it's pop this up and asking me which email I want to open, which of my email I want to open and mail this particular guy. So that's how it's done. So I would like you guys to take your time, watch the video multiple times as you can, and practice. Give us a task, right? Which I'm going to even give you guys a task right now. I would like you to create a personal introduction web page with a heading, right? E.g., about me, a paragraph, describe yourself, an image to just put your favorite photo, and also a link to your favorite website. Okay, that is going to be a task one. The task two, I would like you as well to view the web page for a to-do list, using the ordered lists, not unordered and ordered lists, to just list out the plan that you want to accomplish this week. All right, then a paragraph describing why you choose those tasks. Okay, so do that and use that to practice. If you are stuck, watch the video again to get along with it. And if you have any question, feel free to drop them in the comment section. I'll attend to it as soon as possible. So, like I always say, like this video, share, subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and see you in my next video.